Animal facts that will make you think twice. Did you know? The satanic leaf-tailed gecko isn't just good at hide and seek, it's a world-class illusionist. Native to Madagascar, this gecko's jagged tail, vein-like patterns, and brownish hue mimic a dead leaf, so well that even its shadow looks like part of the forest floor. Predators often stare straight at it, and walk right past. It's Mother Nature's version of a ninja vanishing in plain sight. Hit the like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.